We're room 401 at the Mykonos Earth Suites. Laura, do the honours. Tap your card, in you go.
Put it in, obviously.
Put that in for the electricity. And guys, honestly, this is crazy good. We are literally buzzing. This could take a little while. Laura was crying over a bloody hotel room.
I was literally really like getting emotional.
We're gonna start here though. This is touch soft. Is that how you touch open? Our wardrobe. Is it wardrobe?
I think he said it was minibar / space area.
So you got the minibar section. You got the coffee machine. He said the first 3 or 4 capsules.
First 4 pods are free, and then you have to revert to the
minibar menu.
Minibar.
So that's a nice touch. You got your safe, and then you have a fridge, which is full, obviously.
Always stocked.
You got wine, soft drinks, some snacks, all sorts.
Worst prices.
Let's have a look.
So, crisps, chocolate.
So snacks are like 5 to 10 euros.
Soft drinks.
Soft drinks.
4 to 5.
Spirits.
35 euros for a bottle of champagne is not the worst.
Yeah, but.
Oh, is it a mini bottle?
Yeah, it's not very big. Let's have a look.
I'm thinking it's a big one.
Yeah, look.
Okay, maybe.
Is this big?
Oh, yeah, that's a little bit expensive.
Is that the one?
Yeah, that's the one.
But yeah, they've stocked us up. So if we do get peckish, we haven't got to go out anywhere. They do room service as well.
But it is 10 euros extra for the tray service.
Yep. Oh, missed a bit. Also, your aircon is in here, hidden. I quite like that. I like that a lot. So we shut them up. Next to the door behind us is our wardrobe. I don't know how I missed that. Getting carried away. Our suitcases, they delivered.
You get this really cute tote bag that they let you keep.
Which is a nice
I'm gonna
touch.
take
Because
that.
when
So
you
take
see our
the
view,
beach and
yeah,
stuff.
when you see our view, you'll see how close we are. So that is a nice touch. You said you can take that home.
As well from the wedding last time.
Fancy bin. Laura's like,
I know, I
look at
even
the
had the bin.
Under here you have towels, you have robes, you have slippers.
You've got a bag for clothes if you want them washing.
Yep.
Beach towels,
And then up here you got the hairdryer,
face towels.
you got molten brown body lotion, conditioner, shampoo, you got your shower gel. Very well presented.
His and hers, which I like.
His and hers. Nice big mirror. You see us both in. And then behind us, hidden away, is our toilet.
Which I quite like, it's out of the way.
It's well out the way, which is nice. It's beautiful. And then let's head through to the next room. I love the doorways, by the way. The doorways are just perfect. Look how good they are.
It's a surprise.
Oh, okay. The bed, freaking massive.
I know, it's lovely.
I love the white, like, flooring. It's all smooth up to it. Do you know what I mean? Around the bed.
It's very comfy.
Is it? I haven't yet been on it,
I
so.
obviously have, because it's a bed test.
We got our TV up here on the wall, so we can push that back out the way.
It's probably like the only thing that's modern
Yeah.
in the whole room.
Even the lights next to the bed, like, I've already looked around this room and I'm noticing more and more as I go around it. Obviously your remote and telephone
And plug sockets either side of the bed, which is
comes in handy, so you're not climbing all over me to get to the
so
phone charger. Into the shower.
showers.
Showers, sorry. His and hers shower. Like, is that even possible? It's massive.
Yeah.
There's Laura. That's in the third and final room. But yeah, rainfall shower heads. Obviously taps
Body showers if you want.
for each shower. You got a nice little towel hook here, so you haven't got to step out and make the room all wet. And then into the third
A
room,
little living room.
we do have a little chill zone.
And he was very
Beautiful.
helpful. He said you get water complimentary, and then there's all the food menus, the dinner, breakfast, lunch, anything you want.
And also information on the hotel, such as Wi-Fi, reception, what numbers to call.
I actually just got a text from
Have you?
him on WhatsApp.
What did it say?
I haven't looked at it properly, but if I can find it.
Checking into this hotel has been unbelievable.
We'd like to thank you the opportunity to come.
Okay, and then it
Telling you
tells you
about concierge, breakfast,
all the different times,
sunset dinner tips,
earth tips, Wi-Fi.
everything.
It's actually insane. We feel like royalty, literally royalty.
We want to have breakfast here tomorrow, don't we, in the pool? So
We
we're
do.
Gonna book that, so that'll be €10.
There's only 15 suites. 15
yes,
suites?
There'll only be 30 people maximum in the whole hotel.
Because you're only allowed 2 people per suite.
Insane.
And then, dun dun dun,
You ready?
the moment of truth. Look at this. I can literally get out of bed, walk 5 yards. And honestly, you could have a party up here. So here you've got like an outdoor desk area in the shade, which is lovely. Huge, and I mean huge, lay on it, because look how small she looks. It's massive. So if you do want to get a bit of shade, obviously come and chill here. Mykonos is known as the windy city or windy island, something like that, he was saying. So it is very breezy. Yeah, you can tell by Laura's hair, which is actually really nice.
Yes, actually good.
And then the main attraction, this view, this swimming pool, this bed area to sunbathe on. It's just unbelievable.
I don't think I can make it across.
It's incredible. Like, I'm blown away by this hotel and the service we've been getting. Honestly, we can't recommend this highly enough. We say
That's a private pathway for the staff.
Yes.
In the pool with no one else who walks down. And this is the honeymoon suite, so we do have to say that this is bigger. I think, than
yeah, this is the biggest suite. Let's not forget that.
It wasn't too much more than a normal suite, so we just thought.
Exactly.
And you could sit here and watch the view.
It's insane. It's absolutely stunning. Honestly, we say a lot of hotels that we stay in is amazing, but this,
And the service room was just
yeah, this is the best hotel room I have ever been in my life.
It's amazing.
And we got to make the most of it. I'm glad we're not here for a month.
I know.
I'll be honest. So if you love this room as much as we do, guys, then please drop a like on this video. If you have any questions about the room, the hotel, the location, how we got here, anything, literally anything, then please drop a comment. But yeah, I'm blown away by this.
It's amazing.
This is the best hotel
I feel a bit
I've ever been in, period.
Great choice.
Yeah.
And they're very new. They're only in their 3rd season, so I think
Yeah.
that's why they're going above and beyond.
Get yourself here, guys. But for now, we'll see you in the next one.